ner malaka nyam biaka malka noro 90 bishanol bana rashime bana jaling ka ki malka men latkere wecha ka Kenya kam bonetin koner la bon South Sudan techa ga krare malka kene kuumɛ South Sudan men bana kulien gwasme chikan la no ken ki lingadan te kam kuumɛ kene bon dangwan che chup ka peg me gwa ka do badana chalat keje gor jen wo bejen nyak ye kel ka do badana chikan lat keje ken chika mat ka some key issues shirmenga yenen wonena en malat kana men tama lat ken duptin kon tin te to kor ke jen do bran jikana lat chikan lat ne antama tine ka ko shineru daling ka do badan en me to ko kor ka ja ka South Sudan ajen goren o banyo ga kel gwasme en wo kor to ko jedi ki ngum chora lat banjeling ka do bran jikan lat ke ja gwasme beje kweniye gwa entomani initiative lat kere wecha ka Kenya ken chicken tai dana chikorje to jere wi ka South Sudan chicken to kamalat kene to kene ka shanga diok no wa ka ken dial chicken wo kaman magwa mu ke jen go ba do badan ende je wo ke je do be dane to kor ke je ki do badane to koro da jere wi ka South Sudan karon kina daro wi wal diok no wona karon kina dangro wi wal bakel no chikala no mo cha tar ki do be to ka je ba je yik lat ka ba je parwe ka do bran kan lat ka je gwasme kaman chalat gwasme chalat ne the Tumani initiative parties have agreed to discuss key issue the root cause of conflict in South Sudan during peace talk on Wednesday. Both sides held a rare joint press briefing signal improved relations. The unity government, opposition, and stakeholders are set to address the first agenda item later in the day, identifying the parties involved in the peace negotiation. Resolving this will pave the way for discussion on the root cause of the 2013 and 2016 conflict. Wa mu kan new ko kan lana wata mashi kana agree ka do budanan ba tarka me dana shi korce to goje koron kin dang rawid wal jok mu atara waje gor shi kan lana no ba do budan da malu nyam ka je ba je jek shi kawra mo shi kana kwen ka do budan en ce to ka je gwasame Dr. Mohamed Guyo, the deputy chief mediator, praised the joint press statement as a positive milestone. This shows our collective effort to update the people of South Sudan, the region, and the international community on our progress in mediation. He said, nothing the unprecedented collaboration between the government and opposition spokespeople. Dr. Martin Alia Lumoro, the government delegation rapporteur, emphasized that discussion on substantive issue would begin soon. He assured the public that the government is committed to achieving peace, guided by clear directive from the president. He explained that the agenda includes identifying negotiation parties, addressing the root cause of the conflict, examining the relationship between the peace agreement that happened in Khartoum in 2018, and Tumani initiative, and discussing power sharing. Having agreed on the agenda, we are moving forward without stalling the negotiation, he said. Lual Dao, the Secretary General of the United People Alliance and the opposition spokesperson, also highlighted the progress. It is rare to see us united in this way for once. I agree with Honorable Martin Elia, he said. Dao stressed the importance of both sides working together as brothers and sisters to reach a unified peace agreement. Kene ti chikala no bika nyoka manyur kan ka bikan do bada ne che korja to ga koron kin dangre wal jok bikan nyoka mu gui kana nyok mishina kula ben tinno ba ta yeda ni shamal cha ta nge koron kin dangre wal badak kana jen tuman peace initiative ba ko gui jen wodong midde kan let kel ko de power sharing de jalat na me agenda na gorno de nyoka yekel an ban nyoji gumre dien bi atakamal bye bye.